Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today we are checking out a wireless microphone setup by a company called Comica. This is the BoomX-D. It comes with one trigger, 2 wireless microphones. This is the D2. Let's check out the box really quick. All right, so these are the different options that they have. Mine's is the 2 wireless microphones and the 1 trigger, but you can also get ones that go into your iPhone, into your Android phone. You can get the 1 microphone and the 1 receiver. Let's check out the back really quick for the features. It's a 2.4 gig digital wireless global free frequency, dual transmission and 1 receiver. It has a screen on it, so it has visual. You see the power, the audio, and there's other functions. There's wireless microphones in the transmitters, and then you can also plug in your lavalier microphones. It's mono and stereo, you can switch between. So I'm assuming 1 channel. If you're recording with both microphones, it'll go to 1 channel and the other microphone will go to the other channel. Real-time audio monitoring, broadcasting quality audio, RF technology, audio frequency adjustment, stable transmission. Let's see, low latency, 20 ms, working range up to 50 meters. So that's about 160 feet, something like that. You can put it on your belt or you can put them on the camera, I believe. So let's open this up and check out what we get inside. All right, so here are the receiver. Here's the receiver and the transmitters. They are very tiny. So right here is 1 transmitter. Another transmitter. Receiver. All right, we get the book. Some other paperwork in there. What is this? It comes with a reset pin. Here's a lavalier mic. Another lavalier mic. Oh, here is a dead cat. Looks like this goes right on the microphone. So it slides right on. So this is another one. This is a wire that goes to your camera. So your DSLRs or your mirrorless camera. A USB-C cable to charge. This goes to your smartphone. And this is for Canon and Nikon. So this is for Sony, Panasonic, and Fuji. And this one's for Canon and Nikon. All right, let's take a look at the transmitter. So here it is, it's very tiny. On the front here has the screen, has the branding. On top, it has the mic input, and right here has the external microphone, or the internal microphone, sorry. On the left side, it has the charging port and has the reset port. On the right side, it has the mute and on and off button and the pair button. And then we have a clip. So this will either go on your camera or on your belt. mics. Like I said, we have 2 of those. There's nothing on the bottom. All right, here we have the receiver. So on top it has the screen, on the bottom it has the branding. It's opposite from the transmitter. On the right hand side, or the left hand side, we have the USB charging port. On the right hand side, we have a reset pin, mono and stereo switch, power button, A and B. So I'm pretty sure that's for the volume. Change the volume on each receiver, on each transmitter. On top, we have the headphone jack and the out to the camera. And again, we have another clip. This will actually go on your camera, or if you want to clip it on something else, that should fit right on. Let's just turn them on just to see how these screens look. All right. There we go. Oh, it's a color screen. Nice. All right, let me turn on the transmitter. All right. As you can see, I'm talking. You can see the levels popping up on the transmitter and receiver. It's a nice, very nice screen. It's telling you on the transmitter, you can see it. It's showing a link, the microphone, and then the wireless signal. I don't know if you get farther away, if the wireless signal the bars will go down. I'm not sure. It has the battery, so we have full batteries on both. Let's see if we hit the mute button, power button. Let's see. If you hit the mute button, the microphone has a little slash through it telling you that it's muted. That's pretty nice. Let's see, does it do anything? Let's see if we hold down the pair button. If you hold down the pair button, the link puts on, it shows 3 dots like it's thinking, so it's pairing. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, you can still see me talking on the receiver. Right now it's in mono mode. It shows it right at it says it right at the top. If we hit the mono / stereo, it'll change over to stereo. So 1 2 1 2, back to mono. So let's turn on the other one, the other transmitter. All right, so as you can see, this one is marked A and this one is marked B. Oh. All right, so right now it's on mono mode, so both the audios are mixed in together. If we hit the stereo mode, this one will just be this one. So you can see I'm rubbing microphone A. And then microphone B. All right, so that's pretty cool. We'll plug this into the camera and we'll see how the audio sounds. I will do a test audio with just the audio that's coming out of these, and then I will do some processing on the next one, and then we will do a range test just to see how far you can actually get before these start to break up. But I'm going to plug them into the camera right now and we'll test out the audio. All right, everybody, this is the audio coming from this microphone. So I will test this out. This is a test. This is a test of the BoomX-D. This is the audio coming from this microphone. So I don't know exactly how it sounds. I do have headphones on. It sounds pretty good. So we'll try this with the lavalier mics. Oh, look at that. That's pretty cool. Has a little locking mechanism. I didn't realize that. All right. So this is the test audio from the lavalier mic plugged in. This is the test audio from the lavalier mic plugged in. To me, it sounds pretty good already, but I won't be certain until I plug it into the computer. We'll also do a test with the processed audio, so we'll do that now. Alright, so this is the test with the processed audio from the lavalier mic. Hopefully it sounds good. So this is a test of the lavalier microphone with processed audio. So this is going to be a test of the internal microphone with the audio processed to see how it sounds. It should sound pretty good because right now it's sounding very good. I do hear it popping, so let's try these little dead cats. Alright. So this is a test with the dead cat on. Let's try it again. So these dead cats work pretty well because I can definitely hear the difference, and I just have headphones on, so I think these things are pretty cool. So next we'll just do a distance test, and hopefully that will be good, because a lot of these when you try the distance test, they turn into crap. So we will test that out and see how it works. Alright, so really quick, I'm going to show you how I do the distance test. I have the transmitter right here. I have my cell phone plugged into the transmitter, and then I play a tone sound. So right now I have headphones plugged into the receiver, but I will have the receiver plugged into a camera when I do the test. So once I hit this, you'll be able to hear the tone that's coming from my phone. So you can hear that. So I'll start walking, I'll do the distance test, and once you start hearing breaks in the tone, you know we lost signal. So that's how we will run that test.